Today, I will be showing you how to complete the graduation application at Enterprise State Community College. First, you will navigate to the homepage, which is escc.edu. Then, you will click the My ESCC button in the top left corner. After that, click the green My ESCC Students button. When you reach this page, you will enter your username and password information. Once you have logged in, click the Student tab. Then, click Student Landing Page. Once you are here, click Graduation Application. Select the term to determine your curriculum for this graduation application. After you have chosen your degree and made sure every category is correct, click Continue. Select which graduation date you are planning to attend. Make sure that the name listed is right and it is spelled correctly to go on your diploma. Now, choose the mailing information that you wish the diploma be sent to. This page shows the information that will be submitted for your application to graduate. This is a review of the items shown previously in this video. If you need to update the mailing information or anything on this page, do so now. After you have reviewed the graduation application summary, click Submit Request. If you plan to participate in the commencement ceremony, please be sure and pick up your cap and gown from the bookstore during the spring semester. Completion of the graduation application does not indicate you are clear for graduation. It is your responsibility to meet with an advisor in Boll Weevil Central and complete a graduation audit. A $20 fee is required for your diploma. If you would like your diploma, please contact our business office and ask that the fee be added to your account. You have 72 hours to pay the fee once it has been added to your account. You have successfully completed an application for graduation at ESCC.